Oh shit. That's right. I changed out my motherfucking taillights, boys. We got the motherfucking VLANs now. Something slight, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Let's get on the road with it, boys. So yeah, we'll probably be, I don't know where we heading yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna kind of drive, see where this shit takes me, and go from there, boys, you know what I'm saying? Happy to be back. But yeah, boys, it is 6 a.m. I'm still waking up. Granted, I wake up at 3 a.m., but like, dude, it takes me a good 4 hours to wake up, bro. I'm gonna be honest, dude. It takes me a while. So hey, now we on the road, dude. And bro, I'm just so proud of myself. Like, I've never really done any like exterior modification before ever in my life. And I did fucking taillights yesterday, dude. I know it was an easy plug and play, but bro, I'm so proud of myself for that. I've been holding that off for so long, just waiting for the homie to do it. And in all reality, it took me maybe 30 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, the one thing I'll say about the VLANs though is the fitment is not as perfect as the stocks are. Like, don't get me wrong, like, they look really good and the fitment is pretty fucking good. But like, when you're opening the trunk, they rub pretty bad, which is pretty fucking annoying. But they do look good. And now I don't have broken taillights. So hey, can't complain, boys, can't complain. The next thing I'll for sure be doing is tint, and I'll be filming that because I think that'll be a really funny and interesting video. You know what I mean? Just learning how to do that, because I definitely will fuck up. You know what I mean? But I think it's all about just learning. You know what I mean? Just the learning process of it all, boys. So we'll see what we can do with that. But yeah, boys, I really hope y'all having a good one, dude. I appreciate the support on these POV videos. So I was like, might as well just keep doing them. You know what I'm saying? The POV videos do pretty well. I went to a private track day drift event situation, and I just posted that. You know, that's probably, like, that's one of those videos where I'm cool with it staying like low views. Not to mention it got copywritten immediately, so it was fucking shadow banned. So that's fun. But that, I don't know, I was just so hyped to be part of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit is so fucking cool to me that I was able to be part of that, bro. Big shouts out to the homie Dylan for fucking inviting me to that, dude. He did not have to do that. And big shouts out to myself for actually showing up, dude. He's invited me to so many of those and I've never showed out, but this time I was like, bro, I just deleted Instagram. I got nothing to do. Let's pull up. You know what I'm saying? Let's fucking pull up. The windshield is starting to fog. Hey, let's fix that, boys. Let's fix that. Hell yeah, dude. Shit, maybe we'll go do River Road. I mean, fuck it, boys. Why the fuck not? But yeah, boys, we back at the POV videos, bro. And I got more car content coming. I got more shit to do for sure, bro. But pretty hyped about this, dude. I'm gonna be honest. I'm pretty hyped about this. And I say this in just about every video, but dude, anybody can do this, dude. I am nothing special, bro. I am no more special than anybody watching this video, dude. Genuinely. Like, all I am is just a dude who happens to have a camera on my head, who happens to post the video. You know what I'm saying? Any of y'all can make these videos, boys. Any of y'all. Like, if you want to start making POV videos, bro, buy an action camera. You know, buy a fucking hat, buy a hat clamp, buy a little microphone, and shit, bro, just use your phone to edit them, bro. I use my phone to edit all these videos, bro. It's so easy. Highly recommend y'all get into making these, bro. And it doesn't matter if your car is perfect or not. It's just about if you love the car, you know what I'm saying? If your car has problems, talk about the problems. If you got problems, talk about your problems. You know what I'm saying, boys? Anybody can do these, genuinely, dude. I am no more special than any of y'all watching this video, and I really appreciate y'all for watching me. And shit, I don't know about y'all, bro, but I've been on my oldies recently, dude. I've been listening to hella oldies. I'm talking 40s through 60s oldies, you know what I'm saying? Just made this playlist. Where is this bitch, bro? Literally titled this bitch up A1 40s through 60s, bro. Got nothing but bangers in it. Nothing but bangers, bro. Fucking, let me know in the comments if you want the playlist, bro. I'll send you the link. Send y'all motherfuckers the link, boys. Yeah, boys, we is downtown New Braunfels right now, dude. Classic for the channel, bro. Classic channel location, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, boys. Looks like we back. But yeah, boys, I'm only 20, bro. I gotta figure out a career and quick, or else I will do nothing with my life, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Once you're past like 18, I feel like time flies, bro. What do they always say? Longer days, shorter years, bro. Right when you turn 18 and everything beyond that, all of your years get shorter, but your days become longer. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of crazy, boys. But yeah, boys, I gotta get a job, dude. I'm broke as fuck. And like, I think the best way to do that is to just like get something automotive wise, you know what I'm saying? Learn how to do that, fucking become a boss, you know what I'm saying? I gotta become a boss, y'all. And if I can boss up, bro, anybody can boss up, bro. I'm just a fucking normal Joe, dude. I'm a fucking Joe Doe over here. What is it? Fucking, you know what I'm trying to say, dude. So yeah, boys, I'll be definitely doing tint next. Like, I think that'd be like ideal, dude. I need some fucking tint in this bitch, boy. It's just be hot as hell, boys. Like, if y'all live in Texas, you know, dude. Like, Texas is no fucking joke, dude. Like, shit, bro, my paint will tell you all. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, it is just hell out here at times, dude. And I need to learn to buff, too. So I want to do tint and then buy one of those buffing wheels and, like, actually learn to do that. Because I could do a hell of a job if I knew what I was doing, bro. I could do a hell of a job, boys. You know what? We're going to drive on the road where my mirror fell out, dude. Just so I can show you where it happened. And pray it doesn't happen again, dude. Because that shit was low-key embarrassing, bro. I had all the windows down, had my music blasting, dude. I was just vibing, dude. Oh, and funny enough, dude, after I got home from that little vibe cruise and I put the shit back in, dude, I'm thinking my tweeter right here got blown. I think this tweeter's blown now. So, saying that one's blown, I might just replace both of them. Or better yet, just, you know, once I get a little fucking job, fucking just replace all of the speakers in my car. Maybe put a sub in this bitch too, bro. Like, I really gotta dial this bitch in, bro. Like, that's my favorite part about this car is the sound system. And if that bitch is going to shit, dude, I gotta really lock in. But yeah, I'm so hyped about my taillights, bro. I really am, dude. And I love my stocks, bro. Like, the stock taillights look so fucking good. But, like, the fact that I put the ones in myself now, like, dude, that's so baller, dude. That's so fucking baller, dude. I'm on some baller-ass shit, boys. But yeah, boys, so basically we're just gonna go up to that road to where I fucked up my my side mirror, and yeah, we'll probably end the video right after that, bro. I was gonna show you where it happened because that shit was cruel, bro. That shit was brutal. It's like, damn, did I really just do that, bro? Did I really just do that, bro? And to be honest, I really did just do that, bro. But hey, I am so grateful it didn't break the actual mirror itself, bro. Like, that shit could have been so fucking bad, dude. So grateful. But yeah, dude, like, that shit was so funny, dude. Because I was having such a good day. I was sitting there just, like, bumping my music, bro, smiling and shit, driving fast up this hill. And then out of nowhere, I honestly thought a biker came by and just punched out my shit because I was going too fast. But no, it was all me. You know what I mean? It wasn't anybody. Like, it was me, bro. And then I had to drive around with it hanging down. Here, I'll put a picture in of how it looked when it was hanging down. That shit looks so ghetto, bro. I was like, damn, did I really just do that to myself? I really did just do that to myself, bro. Thought that shit was pretty funny. But yeah, boys, I am having an amazing day today, dude. I really am, dude. Woke up at 3. made my bed, brushed my teeth, went on a really nice long walk, did some Bible study. And I was like, you know what? I gotta film a video, bro. I've been having just such a good day. Look at the deer. I love deer, dude. They fucking rule. Oh, shit. The fuck? Must be a woman in that car, bro. What kind of maneuver was that, dude? That's one thing I gotta say, bro, because I noticed I have a very, very low, I have a very low percentage of women viewers, right? One thing I for sure gotta say, dude, is like, what the fuck are women doing on the road? Am I right, boys? What the fuck? Like, dude, get the fuck off the road, bro. Get in the kitchen, dude. Like, I feel like women cause maybe 80% of car crashes, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on, boys? So yeah, we were downtown New Braunfels. We went through around the golf course, and now this is Landon Park, which is still in New Braunfels, but you know, kind of its own little thing, to be honest with y'all. Kind of its own little thing, bro. Oh, no way. is250. Boys. 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 is250, bro. Pretty fucking hyped about that, dude. I love seeing these in the wild. It's so rare to see 250s, 350s, or Fs anymore, dude. So fucking rare, dude. Alright, we're coming up to the spot where I fucking smashed out my fucking, my mirror, dude. I don't know why I did that, bro. Like, I didn't mean to do that, but you know, hey, shit happens to the best of us, playa. You know what I'm saying? Shit happens to the best of us, playa. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? It's all good in the neighborhood, boys. It's all good in the neighborhood. Dude, I love making these videos, bro. I think, like, ever since I stopped giving a fuck what people think about me, bro, I think my favorite part about making these videos just has to be, like, the look on people's faces when they see some random-ass dude with a camera on their head, dude. Like, so this is the road. This is the road. So here, I was just, like, flying on this bitch, just flying up it, and it was one of these. It was one of these poles, bro. These were the poles that I broke my fucking mirror on, dude. Like, I was towards the top, right? And I was like, I think it was that pole right there, the one that's kind of leaning out a bit, that one. I was way too close to that guy, and just poosh, and then my mirror dropped, and then I was like, fuck, boys, fuck. So wait, that's the way she goes, you know what I'm saying? This is the way she goes, boys. Y'all watch out, you know what I'm saying? If y'all live in New Braunfels and you want to drive up Landon Park, you watch out for that motherfucking pole, bro. Shit might get you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, boys, that'll probably be the video. I hope y'all having a good one, man. That's it from me. Peace.